Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see class 10 refractive index multiple choice questions. So we know very well that for class 10 also term 1 is completely multiple choice questions only. So we are completely going to focus on the MCQ pattern. So for more questions, please like, share and subscribe the channel to get the notifications immediately whenever I am posting the videos. Let us go into the questions. So first question, if the angle of incidence I for a light ray in air be 45 degree. So what is given? So already in other videos I gave you the training like how to give a pass and read the question. That will give you the clarity when you are reading the question itself. So once again I am showing if the angle of incidence for a light ray in air be 45 degree and angle of refraction or in glass be 30 degree. Find refractive index of glass with respect to air. So what we are supposed to find? Refractive index of glass with respect to air. So how we are going to find this? Any formula is coming to your mind? Yes, it is a very simple basic formula we are going to use. Which formula we are going to use? It is nothing but what? Yes, Snell's law formula. I hope you remember the Snell's law formula. So let us see the little recap of the formula. That is mu is equal to sin I by sin R. Or as per NCERT textbook, it is given as what? N is equal to sin I divided by sin R. So this is the way to find the refractive index of glass with respect to air. So let us see how we are going to proceed with the formula. So it is N is equal to sin I divided by sin R. So in the place of I, what I am going to substitute? That is 45 degree. And in the place of R, what I am going to substitute? 30 degree. So it is sin 45 divided by sin 30. I know very well in mathematics a trigonometric portion is not started for many schools. So don't worry, it is in the second term for you people. You can go and check the trigonometry table in the Google and you can just memorize the trigonometric values where it will be useful in your higher classes also. So from the trigonometric ratio table only we are going to find the value of sin 45 as what? It is 1 by root 2. So note it down, for sin 45 it is 1 by root 2 and for sin 30 it is what value? 1 by 2. So anyhow you need to memorize these values. So please find that and then you are going to memorize till certain angles only. Okay. So don't get afraid. So you can easily memorize that. So many tricks are available in the net also. So let us substitute the data over here. So what is the data in our hand now? It is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by 2. So that will become like this, 1 by root 2 into 2 divided by 1. Okay, ma? Next. So I can write this 1 by root 2 and 2 as what? Root 2 into root 2. So root 2 and root 2 in the numerator and denominator will get cancelled out. So my answer will be root 2. If it is like normal numerical you are going to work out, means I will be saying like try to bring the answer in the form of decimal point and all I will be saying. But now it is of no use because whatever is given in the options for the question, in that way only you are going to proceed. Okay, so if it is given as 1.414 related to that, means you are going to proceed in that way. Now it is directly given as root 3 or root 2 only. So your answer is which one? B, root 2. Option B, root 2. Very important thing is anyhow you are going to use the OMR sheets only. So see to that you are checking the data with along with the options letters also, because we will be doing mistake in selecting the correct options. So that is very important. Since OMR sheets will be provided with A, B, C, D bubbles only, so you are going to select the options accordingly. So once or twice check which option it is correctly and then go ahead with your answering. Shall we check the second question? Yes. Okay, so this is another simple question we are seeing. Refractive index of water with respect to air is 1.33. What is the value of refractive index of air with respect to water? Okay, so as I said earlier, read slowly and try to understand what is asked. Refractive index of water with respect to air is 1.33. What is the value of refractive index of air with respect to water? So first we need to proceed with the work what is given. Then only we can proceed with the formula. Okay. So what is given? Check refractive index of water with respect to air. Is it there? Shall we check? Water with respect to air. Okay. So water with respect to air. To know why we are writing like this, and if we are writing some representation like this, W in the subscript and A in the superscript of your left hand side, why you are writing like this and what it is indicating and all. In our channel itself videos are available, so please check that regarding the refractive index. The ways to represent the refractive index is there, so please check that. Any doubts means please ping in the comments so I can clarify the doubts. Okay, so mu AW, that is nothing but 1.33 as per the question. But what is asked? Mu. What is asked? With air with respect to water is asked. So what is the trick I am remembering for this? It is very simple. It is nothing but if it is mu WA means I can write this as what also. It is nothing but reciprocal of this one is nothing but what? You can see that clearly it is mu AW. So what is necessary for me now? So in accordance with that I am going to proceed with the work. So what I am having in my hand, that I am going to bring that to the right hand side. What I don't know I will be writing in the left hand side. So in that manner if I am working out now, so what will be my answer? So you can see that clearly it is nothing but what? Mu AW. I don't know, so I am bringing that to the LHS side. And what is known data for me? Mu AW is known for me. So I'm writing that in the RHS side. So it is 1 divided by 1.33. So if it is decimal point division is coming means you can go for multiplying and divided by that number of decimal points. So it will be 100 divided by 100. So your story will be like 100 divided by 133. So if you are doing the normal mathematical division, that is operation, you will be getting the answer as what? It is 0.75. Okay. So I hope so you are not having any doubt in the division. If it is there also, don't hesitate to check in the comment. I will be helping in that also. Okay. So shall we check the next one? Yes, please make a note of this formula, so it will be helpful for you to find many questions, many numericals. Once again, multiple choice questions, obviously 1 mark weightage only. So let us see the next one. So now we are seeing the third question. It is refractive indices of water, that means plural, of water and benzene with respect to air are given as 1.33 and 1.50. Calculate the refractive index of benzene with respect to water. So for this, I will tell you the trick. Note it down. It is mu water with respect to air into mu benzene with respect to water into mu air with respect to benzene will be equivalent to 1. How it is possible? Yes, it is possible. So I will show you how it is possible. So this is nothing but what? You can see that mu W by mu A into mu B divided by mu W into mu A divided by mu B. So you can see clearly if I am cancelling this out, mu W, mu W, mu A, mu B, my answer will be equal to 1. That is what I am directly giving over here. So please make a note of this small hint. So this will help you to solve the work easily. So as per the given data, you can see something clearly. It is nothing but what? Refractive indices of water and benzene with respect to air is given. Okay, so first what is given? So that we are going to write one by one. Okay, shall we proceed? So let us see. So you can see clearly what is given. I will tell one by one as per the question. So make a note of it. It is water with respect to air. So please write on top of the question itself mu water air. This one. And then mu benzene air. What is asked? Mu benzene with respect to water is asked. So for that only now we are going to work. Okay. So note it down. Mu water air, that is water with respect to air, is 1.33. Mu benzene with respect to air is 1.50. And mu benzene with respect to water, do I know that? No. So it is, we are going to find this one. So let us see how we are going to use this given hint. Okay. So for that what we are going to do is, let us substitute the known data in my hand as per this formula. So mu air water, that is water with respect to air is there in my hand. So 1.33. This I am supposed to find. So I don't know the data. So I am writing as such. What data I am having in my hand? Mu benzene with respect to air is there. I already told in the previous sum itself. I can write this in reciprocal manner. No, so it will be written as 1 by mu benzene with respect to air. This one can be written in this manner. That is equal to 1. So next step is what? 1.33 into mu benzene water into 1 by 1.50 is equal to 1. So what will be my next step? Mu benzene with respect to water is equal to this LHS side, that is left hand side denominator is coming to the RHS side numerator divided by this LHS side numerator is coming to the RHS side denominator. So after this, I hope you people know what you are supposed to do to cancel out the data. So it is nothing but, since dividend is in the form of decimal point, I am going to multiply and divided by the number of decimal points. So after this you are going to do the normal mathematical operation. So your answer will be what? I will show you. So you can see 1 decimal point 150 divided by, I used to show step by step only. So I am writing everything even in the zeros also. So you are going to do the calculation, that is division for which value? 150 divided by 133. Normal division you will be doing. So your final answer will be 1.13. Okay. So let us see whether this 1.13 is in the answer. Yes, it is in the answer. So this is our correct option. Okay. In this way only you are going to work out for this problem. For more questions like this, like, share and subscribe the channel, and for this concept you can refer to the videos already posted in the channel. Thank you.